Hello humans, Siren here, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about Beautytap's new sample program. What? Beautytap has launched a sample program. It's one of the first of its kind where you can get 3 different samples sent to your door for $5. $5? You saying I only need $5? Yes. That is what I'm saying. And the best part about this sample program is if you end up really liking one of the 3 samples that you got, you can use that $5 that you spent on the samples towards a full-size product. So no money wasted. So what are you waiting for? If you want to see some samples of the samples that you can get off of Beautytap, let me show you. RESTORSEA Reviving Cleanser with Vibrantia Complex, SANDAWHA Camellia Liposome Skin Softener, Wonder Black Rice Serum from Haru Haru, the CHOBS Rosemary Goon Mist. So if the sample program sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and check the link in my description. You can make your own profile, fill out your beauty quiz so they know a little bit more about your skin type and what kind of products you'll be looking for. Go ahead and add me on Beautytap as your official beauty guru. You can find me by typing in Green Guru or looking at the links in my description. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you haven't yet, make sure to tap that bell to see these Self-Care Wednesday videos every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay weird.